Hello tubers, Mezcal here. I just went and got some stuff to put in the food station. And if you've ever eaten a laksa, this here is what a real laksa should have in it. Most of them don't have it, but when you taste a laksa with Vietnamese mint in it, you'll know what a real laksa is. Don't often see it, and when I saw it I was like, yes! Because I've had this before in a garden I used to live in, and when you put it in a real laksa, oh my god, next level. So a little bit of parsley, and this is another favourite for me when I'm cooking. So they're in dirt, and if they're going to go into a system that is not dirt, I need to wash that soil off. So I'm just going to pause and set up to do that, and we'll carry on. Now, it can be problematic putting plants that have been in soil into a system that is soilless, because the bacteria that are in the soil can cause problems. It's usually not too big of a deal, but it can. So it's a good idea to wash this off. It being an outdoor setup, I'll always be battling the elements. So it's a case of this system will attract pathogens and things that shouldn't be in there, which could be a problem in a soilless system, but there's other things we can do to combat that, and we'll look at that further down the line if it becomes a problem. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Now, parsley and oregano, we call it in Australia. You guys would call it oregano in America. It's nice to get out and have a drive and let my eyes see down the road further than looking at the television or a mobile phone. Yeah. And it certainly didn't look like a world that had stopped. There was lots of shops open, there were lots of people getting about and having a happy old time. Looking at everybody with their new paranoia of if you're infected. Having shop owners wash their hands after you are served by them is kind of a nice, not nice, I'm being facetious, a feeling that, you know, they're looking at me like I'm the infection. I'm the guy bringing you money. Alright, that looks good. Where'd the other one go? There. Alright, I'll just pause and set them up where I'm going to put them, and we'll keep going. Now, I've always seen oregano in the shade, so I'm going to put it on this side because the hang on, hottest will be the afternoon, wouldn't it? Let's put it on this side. So it'll get morning sun and then shade for the rest of the arvo. Alright. I'm going to have to make a manifold up to redistribute the water around as well. So you're going to be drinking that, little fella. Get in there. Okay, and I was going to put the Vietnamese mint here, and there, for the other one. Actually, the mint should go here, because it'll like a lot of water. Deep enough. It's kind of annoying. Sometimes it's easier to just water them in. Like that. I want good root coverage and I'm not getting deep enough. I'm not hitting me. The old one-handed operator. Okay. There's a couple in there. I should pair that off. There's a spare. Let's put this over the other side. See how it goes. Oh, maybe I'll put it in there with this fella. Three or two? Three. I'm just going to pause and break it up.